Me feeding my
Savannah monitor.
Name is Savage.
Some big ass crickets. Watch as soon as I drop this cricket in.
Yeah, it's like that.
Stop moving the tank.
You deserve this, son. Welcome to the
He doesn't want to get the dead one.
Thanks, Dad.
Oh, that sucker's still alive.
No, it's not to us.
No, it's dead.
Look, the one's already getting out.
Huh? What? Where? Sucker, you...
Can you wait till she's done eating that one first?
Oh, I'm sorry you didn't tell me. Well, I'll get that one.
Love transcends all differences. Now we are gathered here today to celebrate.
Sucker is fast.
Do you take each other?
You should
for
get
better
it.
or for worse?
Yay! Yay!
Prevent it, please.
You got it.
Okay, wait.
I am. Not done yet.
That's not gonna last. Can I kiss the bride's guitar?
Let me see what
Now,
and then I'll let you do.
music!
Here
Get
goes
it.
another one.
And then we're gonna feed it one more and then the video's done. Sorry folks, this is just how I did. Wait, there's two. No, I thought that was...
Stop shaking the cage.
Hey, Mom, let him take their time. New York isn't going anywhere. Right, guys?
It's scary when it does that, huh? Like it hops up.
As long as I'm with her, and you two, I don't care where we are.
Okay, can I feed it one?
It's the most amazing life.
One more.
Okay. This is her,
Well,
Just throw it in the hurry up so I can stop the video.
for a while.
that was a perfect throw, huh?
What's wrong? I just thought we could hang out a bit and...
Well, video